SnyderFile photo licensing rights acquisition Washington. November 14. Former U.S. President Donald Trump, the leading candidate for the Republican 2024 presidential nomination, has vowed to crack down on illegal immigration and restrict legal immigration if elected to a second term in office. Some of the policies considered include border application. Trump said he would reinstate 2019 Remain in Mexico program, which forced non-Mexican asylum seekers who wanted to enter the United States through Mexican border to wait in Mexico for their cases be resolved. The program was terminated by Democratic President Joe Biden, who is seeking re-election in 2024. Biden defeated Trump in 2020, promising more humane and orderly immigration policies, but struggled with record levels of immigrants caught crossing the U.S. Mexico border illegally. Trump has said he will seek to detain all immigrants caught crossing the U.S. Mexico border illegally or violating other immigration laws, ending what he calls catch and release. Trump focused on building a wall on the Mexican border in his first term and has promised to close gaps in the border wall if he is re-elected. His administration has built 450 miles of barriers along the 1,954-mile border, but most of them replaced existing structures. Travel prohibitions. Trump said he would impose travel bans on people from certain countries or with certain ideologies, expanding the policy that the Supreme Court approved in 2018. In his speech in mid-October, Trump previewed that parts of the world could be subject to a renewed travel ban and vowed to restrict people from the Gaza Strip, Libya, Somalia, Syria, Yemen and anywhere else that threatens our security. In his speech Iowa in mid-October, Trump focused on the conflict Gaza and said he would ban entry of immigrants who support the Islamist militant group Hamas and send deportation officers to pro-Hamas protests. Trump said in June that he would also try to prevent communists, Marxists and socialists from entering the United States. Mass deprivations. Trump has vowed to launch the largest deportation effort in U.S. history, according the New York Times reported on Saturday. Trump aims to deport millions of people living in the country illegally every year by conducting large-scale roundups and creating camps hold them while they wait to be deported. The former president will redirect military funds to cover deportation efforts, the Times reported. Such an action would almost certainly be challenged in court, and Congress could potentially restrict the use of funds. Trump also vowed to take aggressive new steps to deport immigrants with criminal records and suspected gang members. Using the little-known Alien Enemies Act of 1789, Trump said he would deploy the National Guard and local law enforcement to help quickly deport criminals in cooperating states. Legal immigration. Trump said May that he would seek to end automatic citizenship for children born in the United States.